Today we will discuss how to make a full automation for your business and grab all your competitors' new videos and put it in your database, and then you can make whatever you want. You can get it to ChatGPT and they generate a new ideas about these videos. So now we need to grab all the viral videos from our competitors and put it in our database. Then we will do a lot of things with it. So this is our workflow. We will discuss it one by one. We are defining our competitors. Then we will connect it to Apify, which our YouTube scraper. Then we will grab the data from it. Then we will make array, aggregator, and iterator. Then we will put it in our database. This is our database we will use in Airtable. This is the final output. So let's dive in and see how exactly we did it simply and step by step. First of all, we make a module, tools. We make a set of variables to define our competitors. We will add our competitors here. So we choose channel 1, 2, 3. Then we will put URL for our competitors. Then we will hit save. Okay, let's run it. Okay, we got our result, so it's working normally. Then we have to connect to Apify. Why we need to connect to Apify? Our YouTube scraper will be in Apify, so we need to sign up first in Apify. Here, this is our Apify. Okay, we will search for YouTube scraper. This is a lot of YouTube scraper. We will use this one and we can use it for free. So this is the script we will use. It will be $1.3 for each 1,000 videos, so it's nothing. And he is giving us around $5 per month for free. So currently, how to connect both of them? We will go to setting and we will make a new API from API integration, and we will make a new token and we will get this API. Then we will take it, copy, and we will make here a new model, Apify, run an actor, and we will connect, add, we will connect through API and we will put our API. Okay. Then he will tell you what is your actor. We need to check this is our actor here. And we hit yes for run synchronously. Okay. So what is our input JSON? Our input JSON, if we go again here, this is our runs. Okay. This is our runs here. This is our script. We are going here. We can put two things. We can put it manually. This is our 3 channels. Then we are going to JSON and we take this copy. Okay. Then we go to make and put it like this. That's it. Okay. Okay. The problem here, this is not variable. We are putting directly the names of the channel. We don't need this, so we need to remove the URL like this and put channel 1. It's like this. How to make this from beginning? We are going here again. We are removing this. We are removing this. Okay, let's keep this and go to JSON. We can make it 3 like this. It will be like this. We will take this copy. Okay. And we will remove this one. Put channel 1. Here we will put channel 2. Here we will put channel 3. So yeah, we will here like this, and here like this. So currently, and of course we can make the maximum result we can change. Okay, so currently, why we are doing this? This is how we can control it. If we need to change the channel name, we just go here and change the channel name easy and simply without getting here into these variables. So here you can change normally. Let's run it to check how it's working. This is working fine. This now is loading, so it's working only. So it's working also. We got now a result. So great. So we cannot get, this is a status succeeded, but we didn't get any data from it. How we can get data from Apify? We need to get Apify again and something called get database database. Let's search for it. Database default ID. That's it. And we can put, this is database ID here. Let's save. That's it. We can run. Okay. It's need an input. Okay, let's run it fully. Okay. After this successful process, now we got, okay, bundle 1, we got channel name, we got, this is a channel name, this is the URL, this is the URL, this is from which YouTube thumbnail. So we are succeeded now. So let's move on. We cannot put directly this information in our database. We need to put it in array aggregator and array iterator, because it's bundle of information directly in one process, so we cannot put it directly in the database. So let's make flow control and make aggregator. Okay, what exactly we need the title, we need the duration, or also we don't need the duration, we need the channel name, we need the, if you need the channel URL, up to you, we need the URL, we need thumbnail URL, count, view count. Okay, resource model we need from here, from Apify get database, yes. Then we will go for iterator to separate them again, and we will put this array. That's it. So currently we can put directly in our air table. Air table, create a record, then connect to your air table normally. This is a YouTube subscriber created with, and we already connected through API. So if you didn't see this video, please check our videos how to connect your database to through API in Airtable. So let's back again here. Title, this is the title. URL, view counts. Source, we can change this map and we can tell it's YouTube video. Thumbnail, it's thumbnail. That's it. And we will run fully, and we will see what is the result we will get. This is all results he is updating now in our database without doing anything, and you can make it every 15 minutes, but it's not logic. So we will put after that we got 30 results without doing anything. So we can make it once every day, once every week, whatever, how you want to make. This is 30. Let's go to our YouTube. Look, this is all YouTube he make. Here we found a problem. He didn't give us the channel name. We will go there and we will check what is the problem in this. Okay. Here we put channel name. We didn't put channel name. That's why. Okay. Let's try it again. You always need to check your videos. You always need to check your results step by step to know exactly if there is a problem. Look, now he is updating with the channel name. Look, everything is okay. YouTube, this is our URL, thumbnail. This is our URL for the video.
50 million Americans own Bitcoin, and I believe that's...
So currently, all our script is working fine and perfectly. So you can do this integrated. So currently you can integrate this YouTube scraper, and you can make a lot of variations also in it and add a lot of things. So for example, you can take this and add after that assistant from ChatGPT and make this assistant working as a YouTube expert, and he can give you new ideas and put these new ideas. He can study this videos, and if for example we have more than 1 million view, so study this video and generate a new idea related to this video. So he can give you a new ideas he can put in a new database, and through this database you only check. You don't need this records now. You will go directly to the ideas. So there is a lot you can upgrade, and a lot of things you can do in your automation. But currently this is very sufficient, and we will do other things later in another videos. Thank you. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you need anything or you have any problem through this automation, please put below in the comment section. Thank you.